Good morning, students. Let's continue with our lesson number 15, triangle and their properties. Last lecture we have seen all concept and all type of triangle based on their angle, their side, and now we are going to solve practice set 36 based on the same. Right? Now also we have seen some properties of triangle in last lecture. Now see, open your textbook, practice set 36. Question number 1 is, observe the figure and write the type of triangle based on its angle. Right? Now if you can observe first one, triangle PQR. Here symbol of 90 degree is written. 90 degree means it's a right angle triangle. So triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right? Move to the next one, that is second one. Here one angle is 125. Right? 125 is above 90 degree, means it's an obtuse angle. Right? So the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So write obtuse angle. Now third one, here triangle LMN is given. Angle L is 70 degree, angle M is 48 degree, angle N is 62 degree. So all three angles are acute, right? That's why this LMN is acute angle triangle, right? So write acute angle. Okay. Now for better understanding, you all open your page number 80 of textbook and see the figure properly and then understand the question. Let's move to the next one. Okay, move to the second question. Observe the figure below and write the type of angle which is based on its side. Right? Based on side, there are three types. One is equilateral, second is isosceles, and third is scalene. I hope you all understand the definition of all three types. Understand? Now first one, ABC. See, on this triangle, same marking is there on each side, like AB, BC and AC. When same marking is there, it means they are all of same scale, and that's why it's a equilateral triangle. Right? Second one, see, on DE only one line is there. On EF, two lines are there. On DF, three lines are there. It means all sides are of different units or different scale. That's why this type of triangle is known as scalene. What is called? Scalene. Move to the third one. See, third one is UVW. On this, UV has two lines, also UW has two lines. So these two lines mean on both the side means these two sides are of same scale or same unit. So this type of triangle is called as isosceles. Right? So based on this side, we have solved this question number 2. Now move to the third one. Okay, move to the third one. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to school. Which way is shorter and explain why? Now see, here Avinash house is there at the point of A, right? and his school is at the point of C. There are two ways to go to school. One way is direct from home to school, that is, one is direct road AC. Second, he can move to B, then move to C. Means second is road AB, then to road BC. Okay. All the roads together form a triangle. This, if I am joining this all roads, they are forming triangle. By the property of triangle, sum of length of two sides is greater than the length of third side. Means, see, if I am taking AB plus BAC, it is greater than AC, right? If I am adding length AB plus length BC, then it is always greater than length AC. And we want what? Shorter route. So, obviously, this length AC is short. That's why your road AC is also shorter route. Understand? Now, next is question number 4. The length of two sides of triangles are given. Say what type of triangles they are. All sides, all three sides are given based on type, based on side. You have to tell the answer. Right? First is see, 4 sums are there. First is 3 centimeter, then 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. All three sides are of different measurements. Therefore, this is which type of triangle? Scalene. Right? So, like this, you have to write all the answers. Next is 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. As you can see, 3.4, 2 time come, means the two sides are of 3.4 centimeter. When two sides are same, then it is isosceles triangle. Third one, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter. All sides are same, so it is equilateral triangle. Last one is 3.7 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Means it's again scalene triangle. Understand? Let's move to the next one. The length of 3 segments are given for constructing triangle. Say whether triangles with these sides can be drawn. Give reason for your answer. As we know, the property of triangle, sum of the length of two sides length of two sides of triangle is greater than the length of third side of the triangle, right? So what we have to do for that, I am taking first one, 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and third one is 8 centimeter. Right? Here sum of 7 and 8. is not greater than 17. So, a triangle cannot be drawn. 7 plus 8 is equal to what? 15. Right? 15 is smaller than 17. So, 17 is greater than 15. Therefore, triangle cannot draw. See, if this answer is greater than third side, then we can say that triangle can be drawn. See, take the fourth one. 8.4 centimeter, 16.4 centimeter and 4.9 centimeter. Alright. Now here 8.4 plus 4.9 is equal to what? 9 plus 4? 13. Carry over 1. 8 plus 5? 13. Right? So 13.3. Now this 13.3 is also smaller than 16.4, which is the third side. Therefore, triangle cannot drawn. Understand? In this way, you have to solve your question number 5. Also, complete practice set 36. Okay, it's your today's homework. In next lecture, on Saturday's lecture, I am giving you additional sum based on this 15th lesson. Okay, in that fill in the blanks also included and some questions or some problems. If you have any difficulty in this, let's ask. You can ask me in my personal. Okay, if some words by mistakenly from me, then just ignore it. Proper focus on what is the concept. Right? Take care. Good night.